Hey guys, bcwgardens here, and welcome back to another video. Just a small little update on what's been going on. I have been very busy with getting stuff ready for the past 2 months. Getting stuff ready in the garden and getting stuff ready for the IGTV. Videos are going to start coming out again. They are going to start coming out on the 11th, so keep an eye out for that. And we are going to have daily videos coming out. And this time, I know in the past I haven't been so honest, I think that the right word is. Well, let's just go with this. My integrity hasn't been so good in the past, where I've said something and I didn't follow through with it. This time it's going to be a lot different, and I'm going to actually have the help of my friends to help me get this done. So, starting the 11th is going to be daily videos of March. So the 11th of March is going to be starting with daily videos. And when they come up, they're going to drop every day. I don't have a set time of when they're going to drop. But moving on, I am going to start scheduling more videos, and I'm also going to do other series. Chat time is going to come back starting maybe the 12th or the 13th of March, and then more videos and more series are going to pop up. So please stick around, and also keep an eye out on the 11th. But other than that, thank you for watching. Keep on gardening, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, everybody.